Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that's been bugging a lot of GE dishwasher owners. The start light blinking error on the 2025 models. If your dishwasher's start light is flashing and it's not starting, don't worry. This could be an easy fix that saves you a service call. I'm here to walk you through it step by step, so you can get your dishes clean in no time. First off, let's understand what this error means. The blinking start light on your GE dishwasher, especially the 2025 series, often indicates a problem like a door not latching properly, a water supply issue, or even a simple reset needed. It's a safety feature to prevent the machine from running when something's off, so it's good to address it quickly. Step 1. Check the door. Make sure it's fully closed and latched. Sometimes, a bit of residue or a misaligned seal can cause it to not engage properly. Give it a firm push and listen for that click. If it still blinks, move on to step 2. Next, try resetting your dishwasher. Unplug it from the wall or flip the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches in the control panel. Once it's back on, see if the light stops blinking. If not, let's get a bit more hands-on. Now, inspect for any blockages. Open up the dishwasher and check the filter at the bottom for food particles or debris. Clean it thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Also, ensure the spray arms aren't clogged. Give them a spin to make sure they're moving freely. While you're in there, verify that the water inlet is getting a good flow. You might need to check your home's water supply valve. If these steps don't work, it could be a more serious issue like a faulty sensor or control board. In that case, consult your GE user manual for specific error codes or contact GE customer support. They can guide you on whether it's time for a professional repair. There you have it. Simple fixes for the GE dishwasher start light blinking error. I hope this helps you resolve the problem without any hassle. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.